This dog was trapped in the middle of a powerful river, desperately trying to escape before the current swept it away. Seeing the dog struggle, one brave man climbed down the slippery dam and risked his own life to reach it. But the climb back up was impossible for one person alone. Within moments, complete strangers rushed over and formed a human chain, each person holding on to the next until they safely pulled both the man and the dog to the top. Their incredible act of teamwork inspired so many people that a statue was later built to honor the brave strangers who came together to save one helpless dog.